Unveiling the magic of should in English conditionals. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to our video series on conditionals with modals. Today, we're going to zero in on a very important modal verb, should. We'll explore its usage in conditional sentences, understand its significance, and practice creating sentences with it. So, let's dive right in. First things first, let's understand what should means. It's a modal verb used to indicate obligation, duty, correctness, or advisability. But when it's used in conditional sentences, should takes on a slightly different role. In conditional sentences, should often expresses something that's likely or probable. It can also be used to discuss hypothetical or unlikely situations. So remember, whenever you see should in a conditional, think about likelihood and possibility. Let's begin by exploring should in the first conditional. First conditional sentences often talk about real and possible situations. Here, should is used to suggest a likely result if the condition is met. Example: if you should feel sick, go home immediately. In this sentence, the use of should indicates that feeling sick is a possibility, not a certainty. Now, let's look at should in second and third conditionals. These often discuss unreal, hypothetical, or unlikely situations. In second conditionals, should emphasizes the improbability of the condition. Example: if you should win the lottery, what would you do? For third conditionals, should expresses an unlikely condition in the past. Example: if you should have called me, I would have picked you up. Now that we've explored the theory, it's time to get some practice. Try making your own sentences with should in the first, second, and third conditionals. Remember, practice is key when it comes to mastering any new concept in language learning. Well done, learners! You've now explored the wonderful world of should in conditional sentences. By mastering this, you're well on your way to becoming more proficient in English. As always, keep practicing and keep exploring the endless possibilities that the English language has to offer. See you in our next video.